No, put it on the back. Hello! Aalis na naman tayo, guys. Pupunta tayo ng Southport, kung saan kami unang nagstay nung dumating dito sa UK. Sobrang ganda ng sikat ng araw pero mahangin. Yan, kagala tayo sa tabi ng dagat. Well, lucky tayo kung may tubig. Because most of the time, malayo yung tubig ng dagat. Hello! Isn't it? Yes! Meron tayong magazine ng Alde. I want to see it. What do they have? Oh yeah. Another one?
Yeah, and then the open top one. The open top one's really old.
Yeah. What do they use that for? Tourist?
Don't know.
Yeah.
Leyland
Wow.
buses though.
Oh really?
Before.
Someone's black. What do they have? They have an event. There's a photographer. Ang cute ng bus. It's so cute. How old that
The green
bus? How old that bus is? That one, the green?
Green one's old, yeah. Probably 50s.
Really?
Yeah. Looking at the reg, 1950s, maybe. Yeah, 1950s.
The
or
plate
60s.
is VKB 711.
But pick this corner, it's not a difficult corner.
It's so cold.
If you want to go in
Guys,
McDonald's,
are we gonna eat for lunch? I'm fine with it.
or you want a snack, or you want to go to Starbucks.
We
I'm
go
going
to
to cross here
Starbucks.
because it's easier to cross.
Hello. Tayo sa McDonald's, guys. Ay, lamig. Hi. Kayla. Ay, ang init. Pero tayong fries, guys. Kasi medyo may init. Nice? Yeah. You want some, yeah? It's a bit hot. Nice? Init? What is that? Papansit.
Just wait just to the price.
Dito na tayo guys sa Southport, kaso walang tubig talaga. Napakalayo ng tubig talaga dito. When is the water gonna come here?
Probably twice a year.
What do you mean twice a year?
When the spring tide comes.
Spring tides? It's spring now.
Look on your phone when it's high tide.
I don't know that. I'll check later. It's so far. Walang tubig. I thought there's gonna have a water near. Sobrang layo ng tubig. Sobrang hangin. Buti na lang ito ang coat na suot-suot ko. She's sleepy. That's why she's crying in McDonald's. Yeah?
To lie down.
Guys, sabi niyo naman yung dagat. Oh. Napakalayo ng tubig. Hindi na makita ng camera yung tubig. Kahit anong zoom natin. Masyadong malayo. Pero yung isa namin pinupuntahan sa Blackpool. Yun, malapit ang tubig doon. Dito malayo talaga. Why you gonna go to the bicycle area? You gonna look for something?
In the tube.
Inner tube. Okay.
The back wheel.
Uy! It's a bike shop. It's nice. Oh my goodness. 2,599 pounds. Ang ganda. Nice. But, tingnan nyo naman yung price guys. 2,599. Electric bike. Kaganda. Nandito pa rin tayo sa Southport. Sa harap ng beach. Ang init dito. Pretty warm here. Tsaka mga damit doon part. You have to walk and walk and walk. Mura ang kanilang plants guys. Oh, mix match. Bili tayo niyan. I think they are cheap. Yeah. 3, 4, 5. Trolley. Siyempre gusto ko trolley. Para tayo makapag-shopping. Ano nga natin? 3, 4, 5 pound nga. Ito tayo. To mix. Ito siguro light colors. Tayo mag-garden na naman ata today, guys. Yan. So, yan ang ating flowers today muna. And 3, 4, 5 pound. Ito. Meron pa silang iba dito, oh. 2, 4, 6 pound. Kunan. Ito din, 3, 4, 5. Let's get some. Tayo nito. Pag isa lang, 2 pound each. Isa lang kukunin ko nan. Nakuha tayo nito. Purple. That's already 10. Oh, sorry. That's already 10 pounds. 3. No, 3, 4, 5. No. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Is it? Did I get it wrong? Uy!
That's one. Okay, 10 pound, okay.
Uy, sorry. Grocery guys, pero si Mr. ay ayan, magtatapon muna siya ng mga cardboard na aming pinaggamitan dito sa recycling center. Hello. Someone is laughing while I'm talking. Hello. Are you okay? Iwan the camera. Yeah, we're stuck for a moment. So, mabilis ang grocery lang tayo today dahil si Mr. is nagkakabit-kabit pa ng ating mga rack sa bahay. Maaga kaming lumabas dahil siya ay bumili ng screw. Naubusan siya ng... Kuha tayo nito, guys. Want this purple. What's your head? No.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, right. Too big.
Yeah, it's too big. This is the small?
That's the smallest.
Parang gusto ko din ito, pink. Ay, sorry. May kalamansi sila, guys, kaso parang it's dying na. Reduce 15. Ay! Was 15, now it's 11. 25. Mahal pa din. Mamatay na yung kanilang kalamansi. What's that? White and purple? Reduce na, guys, yung kanilang strawberry, oh. Kuha tayo. Dati siyang 350 and now it's 262. Baka namang okay pa. If we're not going to get some carrots here too. Yeah, get some na.
The carrots are nice, isn't it? Do you
Oh,
want,
they're the same
do you want
sometimes.
bacon potatoes
So
or do
bad.
you want the rice? Nothing.
What's the difference? That is 79p only. Don't get too much because they get old. They're not good. Cauliflower. We still have broccoli. I'm gonna cook it today. I don't want that.
Got the Corona behind you.
19. How much you bought last time?
14.50.
Just looking. I want cucumber. Match to Aldi. Ay! Yeah, I don't like the beans. What about corn? You want some corn?
Yeah, 4 little ones.
Little?
Yeah.
Just for boiling, not for cooking? They're not much to Aldi?
No, doesn't matter. No, you need to think. Go back up to get some milk from Michaela. You want custard donuts if there are any?
If they have, yeah.
I'll get them a look. Last one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's good enough. How many?
Not quite 800. So cheap.
Ngayon na naman tayo ng damit, guys. I don't want it. Not nice. It's not too thick. We need winter. They don't have. Never mind. She's fine. That's your milk. There. Take it out later. Going home na. Guys, we're finished. Magtatanim tayo ng plants again later. Gusto ko na agad itanim ang ating halaman, yung flowers, diretso para doon na siya, direct na. Hello. Tayo mag-grocery shopping haul na, guys. Ang nabayaran ni Mr. sa Morrison ay 76.17. Hindi ako masyadong bumili ng wet goods. Fish lang. So, 5 pound yun. At saka yung ham niya, binili niya. So, dito guys, binibili ni Mr. ang iniinom kong tubig. So, 250 yon for 6 pieces. Tapos, yun ay per 2 liter ang sa Aldi eh. Ewan ko dito sa Morrison kung ilang liters. Check ko mamaya. And then, itong favorite ni Mr. na tinapay. Ano ba to? Hovis. So, yung gantong tasty guys is 1 pound and 50 penny. So, hindi na kami ni Mr. lumipat sa Aldi. Ayaw niya na magpalipat-lipat. Kaya sa Morrison na lang nabili ng mga grocery today. So, bumili siya ng milk. Ito ay 2 liters and 2.2. So, 145 ang ganitong milk. And then, yung Coca-Cola, ganun pa rin. 249. So, ayan. And then, ano pa ba? Cow and Gate, yung milk ng ating baby. So, ganun pa rin siya. 12.50 for 1.2 kilograms. And then, yung ham ni Mr. 5 pound pala yun. So, ito yung ham ni Mr. 5 pound for 750 grams. Ito yung binabaon nga niya sa sandwich. Lagi. So, itong carrots na to guys ay 60-90. Ilang grams to? Mura ng carrots, no? Wala pang 1 pound. So, ito ay 1 kilo na. Samantalang 1 pound parang 72 to 75. So, ito ay 69p lang. Ang dami niya na. So, itong corn natin, ganito ngayon ang ating binili. Ito ay 139. Mahal ang corn nila. Medium cauliflower. So, ang cauliflower ay 1.19. Ilang grams to? Kita. So, ganito siya guys. Medyo malaki yung cauliflower nila, oh. So, ayan. Maganda din siya, fresh. And then, ating lettuce ay 89p. So, ayan. Maganda naman yung kanilang lettuce doon. Asparagus. Asparagus ay 70-70. Gustong-gusto ko tong asparagus na to kasi yung tangkay niya ay yung hindi masyadong makapal. Tapos, ang green beans, 200 grams for 70-70. Ilang grams pala tong asparagus na to? 125 grams ang asparagus for 2 pound. And then, apple. So, ang apple ni Mr. ay 6 pieces for 1.89. Maganda yung apple nila. Ano pa? Grapes. So, ang grapes ay 350. 3 pound and 50 penny. So, ito ay mix. Ganito siya. And 800 grams. So, more than half kilo. Tapos, ang cucumber nila guys ay 89 pito. Tapos, ang kanilang potatoes, 4 pieces lang. Sabi ko kay Mr. huwag kukuha na masyadong maraming potatoes. Kasi hindi na siya masarap pag hindi siya fresh. So, 4 pieces to, ilang grams? Hindi ko kita. So, ito ay, ano to? 79p. 700 grams pala. Ganito kalaki. 79. So, atong banana na to guys ay 1.18 pound. Magaganda naman. Tsaka malalaki. Next. Banana. So, ayan. Ang ating strawberries. Ito ay reduce, oh. Siguro kasi, hanggang kailan siya? Hanggang today lang. Pero hindi pa naman siya pangit. Maganda pa naman. So, before siya ay 350. Ngayon siya ay, ano na lang, 262. Ayan. Masarap yung i-blender. Gawing smoothies. And then, onion. Mali pa nga yung ano ng babae pa. Red onion to. White onion yung nilagay. So, 6 pieces to na ganito. Kalalaki. Siya ay 99. Magkano to? 1.95 gram. Ito ay 78 guys. Wala pa siyang 1 pound. Wala pa siyang 75 pesos or 72 pesos. Pero siya ay 6 pieces na ganito kalalaki. Hindi siya kalakihan. So, mahilig kami guys ni Mr. sa cookies. So, dalawa ang kinuha niya. 2 pound each. Yan. Sarap din kasi yan. Yung isang buong chicken pala guys, na binili namin ay 6.75. Yun yung inulam namin ng lunch. And then, bumili si Mr. ng Cadbury. Dalawang time out. Magkano ang isa nito? 1.35. Para pang wafer. So, yan. Pinabili ni Mr. Pinakuha niya. Tapos, kumuha ako ng 4 na Cadbury bar. So, ito ay 3 pound for 2. Kaya, dalawa-dalawa yung kinuha ko. So, bali 6 pound to. Tama ba? So, yung donut pala na binili ni Mr. ay 1 pound yun for 5 pieces. So, not bad din. Kasi ang isang donut sa atin, parang, magkano ba? 30 pesos. So, ito ay yung donut na 5 pieces ay 1 pound lang siya. So, 75 pesos lang. So, mura din talaga dito yung ibang mga pagkain or grocery items. Tapos, ang ating egg, 12 pieces na medium size. Ito yun. So, ito ay 2 pound and 70 penny. So, ano na siya, medium size. So, parang kulang-kulang 150. More than pala. And then, ang ating, ano guys, ito. Potted plants. Itatanim ko to later. So, isang pink at saka isang purple. Dahil nagtatalo kami ni Start, gusto daw niya ay flowers sa labas. So, di ayan, flowers, mga bulb. Para sana makasurvive sila the whole season. Para next spring, next year, is meron tayong mga plants na uusbong or flower. So, yan lang guys, yung ating mga pinamili. Ang wala dyan lang ay yung donut, fish, at saka yung chicken na aming kinain ng lunch. Yun lang. So, yan na yun. Wala tayong masyadong pinamili na pork, chicken, at saka mga minced pork at saka minced beef. So, okay na yan guys for a week dahil meron pa naman tayong stock sa freezer.